here, and even though we all are at home, I feel like there have been so many trends in the past 3 months, and of course me being me, I had to follow every single trend. And I did see a lot of people being like, oh come on, how many cups of Dalgona coffee am I gonna see on Instagram? But I was totally all about them because at least they kept me busy, and I kind of tried every single quarantine trend, and this video is basically me sharing my experiences with them. Not only did I tie and dye most of my wardrobe, I did the cooking, the coffees, the art, the painting, everything. And now in Singapore, 80% of the activities and all are all open to do, so I feel like I can say it's almost the end of quarantine for us here at least. So this is everything I did during quarantine. So the first thing I'm gonna do is straighten my hair using this hair straightener which was sent to me for a video, and there's nothing written on it, so I don't know, but it's like this curvy thing with which you can actually make waves with it, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna switch it on. I'm gonna straighten my hair, and then I'm gonna use this color hair mud by Delica again for a video. I'll link the video that I did film for them up here. So I'm gonna color the front the front sections of my hair with this, and then I'm gonna straighten that as well so that it's solidified. Okay, so I have straightened my hair. Okay, there we go, that's the center part. This much hair is okay. Then I'm gonna clip the rest of the hair back. Okay, the e-girl hair is complete. There's still a lot of frizz that I have to deal with, but I went ahead and reapplied the purple in some parts and let it dry and then put the straightener on. So the straightener doesn't take away the product, but this is it. I love it. Look at that. Just imagine me with 2 pins here. This is my complete e-girl transformation. Right now I'm in gloves. I've got these beautiful dyes with me, and I'm gonna tie-dye something. I got this tie-dye kit from an online website, and I'm super excited to do this. Okay, so this is my nightwear. It's a beautiful high quality nightwear from Marks and Spencer's, but the problem is that it's too grey. If all goes well, I'm gonna tie-dye these 2 shirts. So this shirt is beautiful, but I don't get to wear it often. It's just plain white. It says gelato. So I want to do some purple things or pink things on it. And then I have this shirt, which I feel like is too see-through. You can't tell right now, but it's just as white. It's not high quality. So they have instructions here, whatever design you want, how to turn it. So I'm gonna do the classic twist first. This is the most basic way to do tie-dye. You put it like this and then you just twist. Oh, I think this is supposed to be wet made. Okay, so now it's done. I have this little thing here because the cloth is wet. They said it needs to be wet but not dripping. So I'm gonna do the same thing again. I think I'm not gonna add it in every single corner because then how are we gonna have a little difference, right? Okay, it's not that difficult to use up this dye because, oops, some got on the... Good thing I had this mat. Right here. Oh my god guys, I can't wait to... Oh, it was too late when I opened these and put them in the wash, so I thought let it be. This is what my top looks like. Now I want to show you the hankies. Look at this. How cool does this look? This is the other one. So 2, and then this is the 3rd one. This looks like a watercolor explosion, right? So beautiful. And guys, to save up on my rubber bands and the color or whatever, I literally just tied these together. Then I did this, 1 rubber band, another rubber band, and then 3 different colors, and this is what came out. I am actually planning to tie and dye my bedsheet, the bedsheet that I cover myself with. I'm planning to do that. So what I am going to use are the things I already have. These are 3D liners from Fevicryl. These are neon liners that you can use on wood, plastic, cloth, and it says etc. in the packaging. So it says that you have to let it dry for 24 hours and then iron at the back for clothes. The dress that I'm going to do this on is this Fame Forever dress. I guess this is from Shoppers Stop. My mom gave this to me. It's a beautiful earthy tone, and the kapda, the cloth it's made in India. Doesn't that just make you so happy? Anyways, so it's a beautiful dress. I love everything about it except for how plain it is. After wearing it twice, I got bored with it, but it's so comfy and practical. I don't want to part ways with it. I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 firework here, and then at the bottom, it even has pockets. Can a dress get better? Then I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 fireworks here. So I'm very excited. I am gonna put a plastic bag underneath because I have tried these once on a rough shirt, and I put paper in the middle, but then the paper got stuck to it as well, and I don't want this to happen. Quick story time. I'm gonna shake these, kind of warm these out. I don't know if I need to. Quick story time though. There was a phase when my mom, because of her, we were obsessed with the 3D liners from Fevicryl, but the colored glitter ones. So she would buy like saris from like weekend markets, and then we would glitter in the design. The design already printed on it, we would glitter in and outline that. So that would kind of elevate the design, and that was like she's the DIY queen of my life. Let me just okay, so the design I want to go for is you make a circle and then flip. Make a circle, flip. I'm scared. Because this is my first. I'm scared because this is my first one. Okay, we can do this. Okay. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know which trend did you follow or try out this quarantine in the comment section below, and what's the situation like where you live. I know most of you are in India and things have still not started in the same way. So are you planning to try any trend that I just showed? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. If you're looking for some books to read, movies to watch, DIYs to do, this channel is where you need to be. You can also check out my Instagram for other ideas, recommendation and everything. I'm really active on it, and it's like my new platform that I've built. So you can watch that, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.